Hello everyone and welcome to another video. This time I'm not reviewing anything but trying to help out people who, like me, had problems with the volume. There are so many wonderful apps in Kodi, but what happens when you're playing something and there is no voice? So an example is here. I love this app, India for Movie, and from here I go to movie rules, and there are Hollywood, Bollywood movies. So it's got wonderful Bollywood movies here. Some of them are new, so as you can see here. So I played that movie Tube Light the other day from Net UTV, and everything looked good. The print was wonderful. um, it's not that new film, but I haven't seen it, so I thought I'll just watch it. And as you can see, while I was watching it, there was no volume. And there are so many people who put so many things about volume, do this, do that, go back in settings. You don't need to do any such thing. From your remote that's in front, the only thing you need to do is press F8. So once you press F8 in here, I'll show you. Press F8, that's it. Your volume's working. Bang on. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe, as I always request and as you always do. And I'll keep coming up with more videos of reviews and handy tips like this. Thank you so much for watching the video. Enjoy your film. Bye bye.